Iy'kole should be the safest place where you can send umntanakho. But it seems ukuthi kune-trend where abothisha banukubeza abantwana besikolo. So recently there's a trending institution ebizwa ese-Etuja, yabo. So kule sikolo lesi abothisha abayi-7, angizona abothisha abayi-7 have been accused yabo ukuthi have bahlukumeza abantwana ngokwecansi, yangizona. Nakhona is accused ngoba abakabi charged legally, mara maningi ama-victim aphuma out saying ukuthi abantu laba vele ama-perpetrators, yangithola. So oyi-1 uzibulalile, sele 6 yabothisha bafitha, abantu abanama-degrees, abantu aba-educated, abantu okumele ngabe mesifuna abantwana bethu esikolweni simele sithembe ukuthi ukhona uthisha Gida, yangithola. But it seems bona abothisha Gida yibo abahlukumeza abantwana bethu. The people who should be protecting our kids, people who should be educating our kids, yibo abantu abahlukumeza abantwana bethu. And obvious okwamanje riding is the trend is in Etuja in the Eastern Cape, yabo. Mara riding is a national phenomenon. Riding yenzeka kuzo zonke lezikole zala eSouth Africa, particularly kuma public schools. Njengokuthi last year where I'm from betrenda i-black child for the same reasons ukuthi kunabothisha abalala nabantwana besikolo. And kule sikolo lesaseDuja bathi uprincipal uyazi, SGB iyazi, even ama female teachers bonke bayazi, and bonke ba quiet, bonke ba complacent in this kulento le nje. Riding is just fucking disgusting bafethu. Riding iyanyanyisa, likhe elinye igama lokuyibeka ngaphandle ukuthi iyanyanyisa, yangizona. And obvious you can't shy away from the fact ukuthi most yabantu laba bayenzayo are male teachers. So umuntu mangazothi male teachers are an issue, usuka ngekho wrong loyo muntu loyo, yangithola. So the real question is, obvious, some people might say not all men, yabo. So the real question is, yes, not all men vele speak, but what are we Tina, not all men, doing to set ourselves apart from these perpetrators? Because if Tina, not all men are not doing anything to set ourselves apart from lama perpetrators langa, kusho ukuthi siyafana now, yangizona. Like if awuzihlukanisi nesigebengu, uyafana nesigebengu, yangithola. So there's something Tina, not all men must do, yabo. If we don't do anything, we must say something bafethu. Riding amasimba, yangithola, amasimba riding.